Hello guys, I have here a piece of suspected yellow diamond, and have marked letter L means love. So I try to hit him many times of my hammer. So look what happened to the hammer. The hammer was scratched, so I found out that these items is the hardest metal on this earth that can break even the steel and big stones. So therefore, to find out also if there is diamond or gold. So I have here Diamond Selector 2. So we try to test this hardest metal that I found out. So look at guys, if what happened. Look. So we found out that the reed is full. So even we erase the green light. So for the second time, the reed is full also. Look at guys, the reed is full. Even no signal light, even green light. If we put this Diamond Selector 2, then we found out, guys, the full red light means diamond. So guys, if you interested this hardest metal in this earth, please contact me.
is in the front row now for Philippine Air Force is number 5 in the fifth best blocker for this conference so far.
Opita trying to set up his teammate. Tolentino again. Popped up. And that's outside for Jesus.
Yellow diamond. Thank you.
Kyle Adrian Camones,
And
one of the best blockers for this conference.
God bless.